What do you say when you first meet someone? How do you greet them? How do you say hello? What's the polite thing to say? What's the right thing to say? What should you say? Let's find out. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe, because we're all about learning English, improving your grammar, and learning English with Adrian. So subscribe and click the bell notification next to it for the latest uploads. But we're going to look at greetings. Let's get started. Okay, so let's look at the beginning. So, greetings, and try and repeat after me. Say it as I say it. So the time of the day. What time of the day is it? Yeah. So we have good morning. Good morning. You get out of bed? Good morning. Good afternoon. Afternoon. Good afternoon. Like midday. Literally right now it's noon. It's midday. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. 6 o'clock, 5, 7, 8 o'clock at night. Evening. Eve. Eve of the day. Eve of the next day. Good evening. Good evening. Or even good night. Good night. Time for sleeping. Good night. Good night. But then let's look at the first one. Good morning. So you first meet someone in the morning, or at noontime, afternoon, midday. Hello, sir. Oh dear, sir. Hello, sir or madam. Hello. It is nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It is nice to meet you. A pleasure to meet you. A pleasure. Oh, a pleasure. A pleasure to meet you. A pleasure to meet you. A pleasure to meet you. A pleasure. Like something you really enjoy. It's a great pleasure. Eating chocolate is a pleasure. A pleasure to meet you. Meeting a new friend is a pleasure. It's great to meet you. It's awesome to meet you. It's great. It's great to meet you. It's great to meet you. It's great to meet you. It's nice to finally meet you. It's nice to finally meet you. After all this time, finally. It's nice to finally meet you. It's nice to finally meet you. Yeah. But use this one though when you anticipate them. Your friend of yours or someone you know has talked about this other person. Oh, such and such like this. Such and such is this or that or that or this. So you have an idea about them already. It's nice to finally meet you for the first time. I've heard so much about you. It's nice to finally meet you. After all this time, finally get to meet you. Yeah. Let's look at some more. Let's look at some more. Let's look at some more greetings. And remember, try and repeat after me. Rewind the video if you have to, but repeat after me. What is your name? So you meet someone, time of the day. What is your name? What's your name? What is your name? What is your name? Or what's your name? What's your name? My name is Adrian. Your name is Ronaldo? You tell me? What's your name? My name is Adrian. What's your name? My name's Adrian. What's your name? My name is Adrian. What's your name? What is your name? What's your name? But it's worth understanding the name. People like their own name. So the sooner you remember their name, the better. They like their name. But don't overuse it. Don't say their name too much. But use it nonetheless. And remember, most important, how are you? How are you? How are you feeling? Or even, this is an interesting one, quite polite, how do you do? How do you do? That is, that fell on the floor again. That is a rhetorical question. A question you don't have to answer, but is asked anyway. How do you do? How do you do? Very polite, very kind, very nice. How do you do? How do you do? My name is Adrian. Nice to meet you. How do you do? Or even you could ask, if it's a close friend of yours, how do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? Or even, how are you doing? How are you doing? How do you feel? How are you doing? Or if they're real close friends of yours, alright? 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 You alright? Question? You alright? You fell on the floor. Are you alright? Are you okay? Are you alright? Let's do that again. How do you do? How do you do? How do you feel? How do you feel? How are you doing? How are you doing? Alright? Alright? You alright? You alright? You okay? You good? You alright? But remember that how do you do is often a rhetorical question. Because when they ask, they don't really want you to go into great detail, but most of the time the response is, I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine. Whew. I'm fine, thank you. I am fine. Thank you. I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. Let's keep going. Let's keep learning. There's some more stuff. So let's look at some more greetings. And remember to try and repeat after me. Say it as I say it. So how is it going? How is it going? How are you doing? How are you doing? Asking how someone is feeling, how they're feeling, how their day is going, what's happening, what are they doing? What are they doing? And what their day is like. Is it a good day? Bad day? What's it like? How are you doing? How are you feeling? How is it going? How is your day? How is your day going? How is it going? Yeah, how is your day? How is your day? How is your day going? Is it going good? Is it going bad? Is it going awesome? So they say what their day is like. So one response is, sorry to hear that. I'm so sorry to hear that. I'm so sorry. That is awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. I did an amazing thing today. That's awesome. Keep going. I'm fine. Thank you. They might just say, you might say to them, how's your day going? No, nice response is, I'm fine. Thank you. Keeping it nice and simple. Yeah. I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. That is awesome. Something awesome could be happening. And they want to tell you about it. That's awesome. Or something bad could have happened. Sorry to hear that. I missed my bus. Sorry to hear that. I'm so sorry for you. But how is your day going? How is your day going? How are you doing? How are you doing? How is it going? When you want to talk about their day, what's happening in their life. Let's look at one more. Let's keep going. Okay, lastly then, let's look at this. Where are you from? So again, greetings. Repeat after me, and maybe watch the video again. Listen carefully and repeat. So, where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from, Adrian? Where are you from, Adrian? I am English. I am from England. I am English. I'm from England. England? I'm from England. Where are you from? Are you Scottish? Are you from Scotland? Are you American? Are you from America? America? Are you American? Are you Chinese? Are you Chinese? Are you from China? Are you from China? Are you Chinese? Are you from China? You tell me. Adrian is English. Adrian's English. Adrian is from England. David is Welsh. David is Welsh. He is from Wales. David is from Wales. You could then say Pierre is from France. France. Let's think. Markov is Russian. He is Russian. He is from Russia. But in this case, I am English. I am from England. I am English. England. I'm from England. I am from England. Adrian is English. Adrian is English. Adrian is from England. This is England. Adrian from England. But it's not always polite to ask where someone's from. It's always awesome to know. It's always awesome to know. But awesome stuff. So let's make a summary of what we just learned. And remember, repeat after me. Say it as I say it. So the first one, good morning. Good morning. Or good afternoon. Good evening. And good night. But good morning. Good morning. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to finally meet you. What is your name? What is your name? Or what was the name again? What is your name, please? What is your name? How are you doing? How are you doing? How is it going? How are you doing? How is it going? How's it going? Is it good? That's awesome. Otherwise, I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. How is your day? I'm fine. Thank you. My day's good. It's fine. Thank you. It's fine. Thank you. And where are you from? I am from England. Adrian is English. Where are you from? Remember, it's not always polite to ask someone where they're from as you first meet them. Talk to them a little bit, get to know them, build some rapport, then, hey, where are you from? It's not always polite to ask, but it's awesome to know. Good conversation starter. And remember, like, how are you doing? Or how is your day? How are you going? How do you do? It's often a rhetorical question. You don't have to answer it, but the often good response is, I'm good, I'm fine, thank you. It's nice, I'm awesome, it's great, it's good. Yeah. And remember, the name is the sweetest thing in the world. Everyone loves their name. The sooner you know and remember the name, the better. Just the happier they are when you know their name. Nice to meet you. Of course it's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet anyone and everyone, isn't it? Why make enemies? It's nice to meet you. And good morning. good afternoon, good evening, good night. But if you want to learn more and keep increasing your English, then subscribe to the channel and watch more videos, because this channel is all about helping you improve your English and you get better at grammar. Learn English with Adrian. Until then, subscribe and bye for now. See you next time.